Hi guys, it's Miss Vinegar. Alright, so I wanted to explain to you what's happening over here in this filter section. So usually what you will see is this giant like hard plastic filter area. This is just some nasty stuff that's been brought up to the top from the bottom of the tank. On top of it goes this, I don't know if you can see it, it's kind of like a U shape, an N shape, but from this tube where this water is coming out of, it comes over the top of it, and then now the water is going to be flowing from that tube. So this is where we would change it if we needed to change the flow rate. And flow rate means making this water come out faster or slower, and right now it's doing what it needs to do. So, anyway, it's going to get loud because it's starting to cycle. So this comes off. We've got our first filter layer. This is where a lot of that fish poop and nasty stuff will collect on here. If we pull this off, if we would have done this in class, we would have figured out this is the best way to filter all of this. I'm gonna leave it running. So down here is just a bunch of rocks. So if I dig this up, it's just a bunch of media. It's the same stuff that's over here. We just had left over, and this helps filter the fish poop and pee and gives us the nutrients that we need, but keeps the nasty stuff out. So this tube right here is an overflow tube. This tube right here is connected to the pump that's on the bottom. So it's pumping all of that water up and into here. It may look like this is going to overflow, but it is not. Down here, let's see if I can get to it. Maybe it's not on that side. Anyway, down here at the bottom there are a couple of tubes that connect this tank to this section over here. So, and let me explain that to you really quickly. So, anyway, all of this water drains into this tank, which is what we're hearing right now. Let me put this back on, and then I'll show you the grow bed. Okay. Put this back on. Perfect. Alright, so this is our grow bed. So it's just the same rocky material, and this is the bell siphon. So what we see right now is the water is coming up through the bottom and is going to go up. So if I do that, it's going to make that fine sound. But this is the bell siphon. The water gets put in through here. The air makes it suction, and then whenever it gets so full, it siphons itself. So it cycles itself. So once it's so full, we can see if I dig down, there's not a lot of water in it right now. But if I dig down in a couple of minutes, there would be water that is filling it all the way up to here. And then once that bell siphon actually siphons, it's going to dump all of that water back into this tube, which puts it back into the fish tank. And whenever this tube releases water, it also releases a lot of oxygen to oxygenate the fish. I'm not sure if that's a word, I think I just made it up. But it provides oxygen for the fish that they need to be able to live. So that is all that we have right now. There are not any fish in the tank yet. I'm trying to get the water balanced out and do what we need to do first before. But I do have a couple of plants growing. So these are green onions. They look like this when I put them in there, maybe a little bit healthier. They look like this. For whatever reason, this one's not growing, but that's just what planting is like sometimes. So that's one that's not working. These are two that have been working. So I put these in last Saturday. So all of this green has grown since last Saturday, so about a week. And I have a couple of pictures that I'll show for you guys too. And this is just an old succulent, and I'm trying to bring back to life, and it's working and not squishy anymore. So that's it. Once we get things fishing here and get other things started, then I will be able to grow like different plants and basil and cilantro and different things like that. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for joining in, guys. Please come back next week and see how much our plant has grown since then. Hopefully next week, within next week or the next couple of weeks, we'll get some fish in there. Once we get some fish in there, their nitrogen that they excrete, so their poop and pee, is going to really help those plants grow a lot bigger and taller and stronger. So check back in with us next week and we'll see you then. Bye.